Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to fix a slow Wix website. So here I am in my Wix website dashboard, and then from here, let's open the website editor. So we can click edit site, and when you click on it, your website editor will automatically open in a new tab. I already have the tab open right here, and then here is my Wix website. So there are a lot of factors that make your Wix website slow. So mostly they all pertain to the graphics of your Wix website. So maybe you have a lot of graphic elements, you have a lot of moving elements in your Wix website. So what you need to do is that you need to reduce or remove the animations or like the major graphics that is in your Wix website. So the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to remove page transitions. So that can have a factor in making your Wix website slow since it needs to load the necessary animation for the page transitions. So to do that, go right here to site design and then go to page transitions and then make sure that you are choosing the none option right here so that it doesn't need to load the page transitions animation anymore. And then next, what we're going to do is that we need to turn on manual cache for each of the pages that you're going to use in your Wix website. So you need to go here to pages and menu. And then for example, you're in the home page, we can click the three dots, we can click settings, and then we can go to the advanced settings right here, and then we can turn on manual control caching for this page. So this helps a lot since this will make frequent visitors of your website save some memory in their local computer so that whenever they go right here to your Wix website, it doesn't need to load all of the elements anymore since they have like a cache memory inside of their computer or inside of their browser. So for the option right here, like how often do you want to reset this page's cache? So choose right here maximum time. And then moving on. Next, you also need to make sure that all of your elements right here in your website uses the same fonts, or like you can have like a maximum of like 3 fonts for your website. So since if you use a lot of different font styles, it can contribute to making your Wix website a lot more slower. So for example, right here, we can click edit text and then we can choose a font right here in the different font styles. But I prefer using the HTML font styles. So we have here some list of the web safe fonts for HTML and CSS. So we have Helvetica, Arial, Arial Black, Verdana, Tahoma, and then so on and so forth. So the fonts right here that are listed is safe to use for all websites since this is available for the HTML code that is usually used in all of the websites. Since when you have your Wix website right here, there might be some fonts right here that are not HTML compatible. So for example, let's choose Arial right here. So we can find if there is Arial. So we have the Arial option right here. And then let's choose Arial Black. And then you can go ahead and choose that font for all of your fonts or for all of your text right here in your website. And then next, what we can also do is that we can limit the number of elements right here in your website. So for example, I have a lot of elements right here that I don't really need in my home page. So what I can do is that I can delete the other elements right here that I don't need. So for example, I have this section right here. So I don't really need this. So I can just delete this one. And then example, I also have this section right here that doesn't have any content. I can click on it and then I can delete that one. So just basically delete any content or any element that you don't need in the pages of your website. And then next, what we can also do is that we can remove the animations right here for our element. So for example, I have this text right here, and then you will know that it has an animation if it has this color green button right here that says animated. So we can just click on it, click none, and then as you can see, the animation will now be removed so that the website doesn't need to load the animation anymore. Then we can go to the button right here. We can also remove the animation. And then for this text right here, we can also remove the animation. And then what we can also do is that we can also remove some text effects, since that also is a factor for having your website slow. So for example, this text right here has a text effect, like a shadow effect right here. So what we can do is that we can click edit text and then scroll down until we see effects right here. So make sure you are using the none option right here. And then that's it. So we remove the text effect from this text right here. Next, we should also see the lightbox settings, or the lightbox is also called like the pop-up windows. So you can go to pages and menu, and then you can find the pop-ups right here, and then go to your pop-up window right here, and then go to settings. So from here, we can click manage pop-up so that you can see all of the pop-up that you have right here in your website. And then we can go to settings, and then make sure that the pages that it is turned on is only on the specific page that you need this pop-up. So I only need it for the home page, so that's why I set the home page right here. And then for the delay, I recommend having like 5 to 15 seconds of delay, since having the delay very fast right here can contribute to having a slow Wix website. For example, I'll just say 10 seconds right here, and then that is okay. And then from here, if you have some unnecessary elements in your lightbox or in your pop-ups, just go ahead and delete them as well. Same as with the font styles right here, and then the text effects. And then let's exit this. Lastly is that we need to check the images right here in your Wix website. So for example, if you use a lot of video images or like video backgrounds, what you need to do is that you need to remove the video backgrounds that you don't really need, since that costs a lot of memory in the computer and will slow down your Wix website. So for example, I have here a video background for my section. So I can just click change background, and then I can just click none right here, so that we will have a faster Wix website. So the same applies for this section right here. I can click on it, click change background, and then click none, so that we can remove the video background. So it's much better if you just use an image as a background, since that is a lot less extensive on your computer or on your browser, so that you can have a faster Wix website. And then that's basically it. So just do everything that you can do to reduce the unnecessary graphics for your Wix website. And then from here, you can just publish the changes. Then let's go ahead and view the website. And then as you can see, the website right now loads up almost instantly. So now we have a faster Wix website. And then you can also check if your website is fast by going right here to GTmetrix. So this website right here tests your website speed. So you just need to copy the URL and then paste the website right here, then click test now. And then sometimes it will require you to create an account. So if you don't have an account yet, just go ahead and create one. So let me go back here to the website. Let me paste it right here. So let me just create an account first. Now that I have created my account, so let's go ahead and test the website again. Click analyze. And then from here, we'll wait for this to finish. Now that the website has finished analyzing, we now have our grade right here. So we have a C grade. So that is okay, but it is recommended that we have an A grade right here so that we can know that we have a fast Wix website. So I think there's a problem with my internet earlier. So since this took a while before it is finished loading, but if it is still slow, you can just go ahead and optimize some of the other graphics in your Wix website and then run the test again to see if you have an A grade right here in GTmetrix. And then that's it. So those are the different ways that we can do to fix a slow Wix website. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.